guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Codex Skulks. So today it's our first lesson and we are going to learn about Scratch. So we are going to start from a little and then we are going to go to bigger levels, and Scratch is like very easy. It is for kids above 5 years old and it's very easy. It's a block coding platform. Either you could download it or you could go to Google and use it online, and you can also save your projects. You can do a lot of things with it. You can make like games, animations, and anything. You could do anything. So start before starting, I would like to tell you that some main components, some main things which we are going to learn today. So we are going to learn about the coding blocks, the categories of that. Then we are going to learn about costume, sounds, and after that this box. This box we are going to fill it and sprite and backdrop. So let's start. So basically, what is motion? As you have listened, or you can say studied in science, motion is when something moves. So basically, it's exactly the same. These are the blocks for moving the sprite. So this image which I am dragging is known as sprite. So this is this is the block which we can use to move our sprite. This is the block for turning around, and these are the motions. These all blue blocks are the light blue blocks are the motions which we could use for making our sprite move. Second, we have looks. If we want to say, if the we want the cat or any sprite to say hello, we're going to select these box. We can switch our costumes, backdrops. So basically, backdrops are the back main screen. This white page, we could choose any back home page, or you can say any picture to put in the back stage or backdrop also. So next we have size, we have color and effects and other things. Next we have our sounds. So sounds, if we want everyone like talks, we talk, we shout, and everything everyone does. So this is exactly the same. The sprite could play. We could play a sound. We could start a sound. We could stop all the sounds. We could even change the pitch. We could set the pitch. We can change the volume and set the volume as well. So events. Events are the main basic component of Scratch. So basically, events have the ability to start the project. So basically, the block which is used for starting the project is this. When green flag clicked, green flag means go to start. Okay, and this is the main component, or you can say main block to start our whole code. Then we have the key pressed. If we press this key, it's gonna start the code. It's gonna change the switch to backdrop one. Loud, we can change loudness, and we could even broadcast messages. And this is the second most important component or category in Scratch. Without it, I don't think event can also work. So this is the wait, repeat, forever, loops. Basically, to sum up, this is basically all the loops and all the conditions which are going to be used. Next, we have sensing. Everyone touch. We have humans, human body, and humans have sensing. As you know, we have the touch sense and we have other sensings. So this is also the same. So this is touching mouse pointer. So if the sprite is touched mouse pointer, it's gonna do something, and we have to set the code for that. It's gonna touch color, or if it touch this color to that color. Like if yellow color touches a blue color, it's gonna do this. Then we can have the questions. We have ask, what's your name, what's your age, and we can ask different questions. Then we have answer. Then we have the keys pressed. So if we press the up key, the sprite will go up. If we press the down key, the sprite will go down, right, left, and this is all it. Next, we have operators. Everyone has read maths. Everyone knows about maths. Everyone knows about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It's all about that. It's for joining two things. It's for joining two like codes, or you can say two different blocks. Next, we have the variable, which is my first most favorite thing in the Scratch. So variables, we can make our own variable. Like, let me just show you right now. Let's say set the score. Let me just do it. Set the score. It's going to be, let me just do it again. There's spelling mistake. The score 2. So we have made the block, set the score to. It could be moved here, there, and anywhere. We can change our variables if we say when flag clicked, set my variable, this variable. Yeah, or we can say set the score to 0. 0 means when the green flag would be clicked, the score which was previously of the last you can say player, it would be all erased and it would not have any data in it. Next, we have that if it touches mouse pointer or ball, change the score by 1. So it's going to add up the score. It's going to sum up the score. We could hide variables, show variables when we like if like we would say make a code. It would say like when the score is enhanced, show the variable. When the score is not enhanced, hide the variable. We could make different things. Next, this is my second most favorite thing in the Scratch. Block. Block is very easy. Like, let's make glide. For example, if I make glide, I'm gonna just go okay. And now we have to define it. Without defining it, we cannot run it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to glide, select this code. We are gonna make codes for a second to random. Now you can see we have to press the green flag, but it's not working. Why? So basically, we have not selected the event. We have not selecting the flag block from the event. So next, what we are going to do, we have selected, but still, it's not running the code. So the like issue is we have defined it here. We have not selected the block right now. It is this block, my blocks, is for making our code shorter and easier to understand. As you can see now, if I press it, see, it's gliding to random positions for 4 seconds. It's gonna stop then. See, it stopped. Now it's going to glide for a random position and it's going to stop. See? That's very easy. Let's move on to costumes. So basically, what is costume? So costume, we have two different things. We have two different costumes, and it is for making the animation more realistic. It's for making the things more realistically. And everyone has used paint. So we have brush, bucket, lines, text, and eraser as well. So what we can also flip it horizontally. We can flip our sprite horizontally, vertically as well. And next we have our sounds. See, let me just show you. Would play a meow sound. It's playing a meow sound. So as you can see, I can make it faster. See, I can make it slower. I can make it louder. I could make it softer. I could make it robotic. So we could do anything with the. We could even record it. We could get up surprise like different. It would select some random. It would select some random voice, and we could upload the sound from our computer as well. So after learning all this, we are going to just sum up really quickly. So what is this? This this white thing here, right? This white thing right here is known as the backdrop or backstage. This thing, this cat is known as the sprite. It's the image, or you can say it's like the cartoon, or you can anything you can say. Um, it's basically a sprite. We could also see, you can see this like badge, you can see this badge. We could move this badge anywhere. We can, so here, what we are going to do here, we could also change the sprite's name. For example, we write cat and it's right here, changed. Okay, we can also make our sprite height. That's very interesting. We can also change our sprite size. So the last size of the sprite is 541. So we are going to do 300. Let's do it. See how big the sprite is. So X means the sprite is going to move vertically. Okay, sorry. The sprite is going to move horizontally. X means the sprite is going to move horizontally. Y means the sprite is going to move vertically. These are the direction. Everyone knows about angles. So these are the direction: 90-degree angle, 15-degree angles, 30-degree angles, and different types of angles. So that's for today. I hope you liked the video, and we would come up with some new videos, and I hope you liked our video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to share it. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.